Have a great day, dear students. Today we are going to revise chapter 1. In this chapter, it is categorized into 5 headings, that is multimedia and its components of multimedia, and then file formats of multimedia, multimedia production team and multimedia processing steps, and last one is applications of multimedia. These are all the 5 main headings comes under this chapter, and today we are going to see what are all the 5 mark question and 2 mark question which are asked often in this chapter. Moreover, this chapter covers only the 5 mark questions. What are all the 5 mark questions? Now, very important 5 mark question is different file formats in multimedia. It may be asked in 3 marks and 2 marks. Students, you are writing particularly, it is for 5 mark. Now we can write 5 steps. No, it's wrong. We have to write all the file formats. You have to study all the 5 formats because these questions are asked in 3 marks and 2 marks also. And then process of multimedia, it consists of 12 steps. You have to write all the 12 steps in this topic. And then production team also, you have to mention all the 9 members. And applications of multimedia, you can study in business and education. Next, we are going to see about 3 mark questions. What are all the 3 mark questions often asked in these chapters are: the first one, in what ways the images are stored? That is, the component of multimedia is image. That is, vector images and raster images. You have to write details. And what are the types of text components? That is, RTF and plain text. And then digital audio about the components. Again, digital multimedia library is the last topic it may contains. In the chapter, last topic, libraries. And then next one, you are going to see about education, video conferencing, multimedia conferencing. These are all the very important and essential 3 mark questions. And then what are the 2 mark questions are often asked are kiosk. What is kiosk? And multimedia and its features or definition. What is defined multimedia? And what is multimedia production, and what are the multimedia production team members? 9 members. So you should not leave any one. You should write all the 9 members. In big question also, somebody in the last exams you wrote only 5. It's wrong. You should write all the team members. 9 members you should write, and you should explain. In 3 mark and 2 mark also, they are particularly asking define the program. What is the purpose of programmer? And what is the purpose of multimedia architect? Like that they are asking. So you should study all the topics which comes under this heading. And then what is webcasting and video conferencing? Often asking question. And how multimedia helps in medical services? Again it comes under the topic applications of multimedia. So all the chapter are arranged in 5 main topics: components of multimedia, file formats. Again I am say the same thing. You have to study all the big questions in chapter 1. And then chapter 2 comes under the heading Introduction to Adobe PageMaker. In that 5 mark question, book back questions you can study. Book back questions la very important question is explain the tools in PageMaker toolbox. In half-yearly, quarterly, annual, every exam they will ask the same question. Here also you should not write, you should not decide which tool. You should write all the tools. You should draw all the icons except the cursor icon. You should write the icon, and then what is the purpose of the icon, you can write it. And the steps to place the text in a frame, this is also very essential question. And write the steps to draw a star or polygon. Often they have asked this question. So these are all the 5 very important questions. How to convert the text block into frame, how to place the text in a frame, how to draw a star or polygon, how to draw a dotted line. These are all the very essential 5 mark questions often asked in second lesson. And then 3 mark questions also. In second lesson, moreover it covers, there are lot more 2 mark questions and 3 mark questions only. So in 3 mark questions, what are the very important questions are, what is PageMaker and what are the uses of PageMaker, and give some examples of example softwares of which is used to design a page. What are the software which are used to design a page? Adobe InDesign and some other softwares. And what is the uses of master pages? Master pages is often asking one more question, how to add a page in master page, and how to rejoin or split the blocks, and how to link the frame that containing text, and then how do you insert page number in master pages, how do you separate the text from the frame. These are all the very important and essential 3-mark questions you want to study in second lesson. And then in third lesson also there are very important long answer. First lesson and the third lesson covers long answer. Now second lesson is fully covered with 3-mark questions and 2-mark questions. Also you have to concentrate more on glossary page. You study that last page. You study the one words under this lesson. Here in this lesson it mostly covers shortcut keys. So you should concentrate more on shortcut keys. Next we are going to see about 2-mark questions. In that, what is DTP, some examples of DTP software, and what are the steps to open PageMaker, how do you create a new document in PageMaker. And then next, what is pasteboard? This is very important and essential question, often asked. And about the menu bar, title bar, tool bar, these are all in 11th standard also you have studied. This is the essential question often asked. And then differentiate between ellipse tool and ellipse frame tool. Ellipse frame na it contains the text in it. Ellipse tool na it's just a drawing tool which is used to draw ellipse. That's all. You must concentrate and study. Each and every topic you should cover. And what is text editing? That is also important question often asked. And what is threading? Threading the text block is also connecting the text block. So a text block, the text overflow from one block to another. So that is called as threading the text blocks. Threading text blocks or threaded text blocks. In glossary page there is a definition. And how do you insert a page in a PageMaker, also essential question.